Hi, welcome back to another video from Digital Pages. Successfully managing your work in today's digital world can be challenging to some of us. You have to be absolutely on top of the new tools and technologies used by the modern workforce. But the good part is almost every tool has a free version where we can get our hands on and start using it in our daily work life. One such tool I want to introduce today is Trello. Trello is a free collaborative workflow or a project management tool. You be a project manager or an entrepreneur or a social media manager or an IT manager, all of you can use this tool. This video provides you an introduction to Trello. It's really a simple tool to learn, but a very useful tool as well. Let's take a look at it. What you do is you look for Trello, go to the Trello.com website, and you can sign up for free. So this will ask you whether you want to try Trello Premium for 30 days. I think for an individual user, I don't think you need a Trello Premium. So I'm just going to skip. Alright, let's go. This will take you to a workspace or a dashboard. And as you see, there are multiple templates which you can use. Project management, Kanban template, which is one of my favorite. A simple project board, a remote team hub, and there are many other full template gallery which you can browse according to the kind of work that you do. So let's just look at one of these templates. So if I click on the project management template, this automatically provides you a workflow, right? So you have the project resources, questions for next meeting, to do, pending, blocked. These are different categories of how the work should be managed. So if I go back, and then there is a Kanban template, which is something I use quite often. If you are a software development project manager, this is very useful. So you can list all your backlogs, your requirements, or your user stories in this particular section. Then you have the design, to do, doing, code review, testing, and done. I want to create a new board, and I want to organize the work that I do on a daily basis. So I'm just going to give a name on how I want to organize my training and YouTube related activities. So I click on creating my board. So these sections automatically come up here. So to do, doing, and done. Alright, so I want to create a new card for to do. So let's say I want to create a new video on Trello. So I just click on add card, and if I want to see the card and edit the card, just click on this. I can see create a video about Trello. So just edit this a little bit. Create a video about Trello for YouTube. Okay, and the description is going to be an introduction about Trello. Create a board in Trello. End message for the video. Alright, and then I save it. I can also add members to this. For example, if I have a video editor who's going to help me with the video, then I would probably add someone's name. So you can add another email ID here. Yeah, so you just click on send. Now what you see is you see that person here, so you can add this person. Now I have created one card here, so I can, or if I want to label the YouTube to a different color, so I can select a label here so that a color is being selected for the YouTube videos. And if I want to add some dates by when you want this to be completed, so I want to release this video by 16th of November, so I've added some date. If you want to add some attachments, you could do it. If you want to write some comment to a specific member in this particular board, you could do by doing at, and then you can select which member you're trying to communicate. Keep the content ready. can save the content here. If you want to add a power up app for every board, I think with the free version you can add one power up app. So I usually use a calendar power up, so I add this calendar power up. Gives you a very nice view of what are the different tasks which is coming up for the next 1 month. You can organize it. If you see here, you have these labels which basically, according to the label that you provided, it also gives you what sort of task are you trying to create using the card. All right, so that's good. Now this card is complete. I want to create another card. So once I start working on one specific task that I want to organize, I can simply move this to doing, or if one of the tasks is completed, I can move then to done. And you can invite people, you can collaborate with your team members. If you come across some new ideas but you don't have a place to keep it, then you can just create another section here, and you can add a card. Let's say I came up with a new idea of conducting a webinar. Conduct a webinar on automation, for example. So I can add it here. That will go into the ideas. This will give you a view of all the tasks that you need to do in November 2021. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button.